that's recording now.
Recording.
So cool. Hey everybody. First time we've used our GoPro, so we're a little excited.
Yeah, at least like this anyway. We've had a little practice. Getting the blue skies in the background. Lovely.
So we arrived in Exmouth a couple of hours ago.
Yeah.
We went to one caravan park, and for an unpowered site they were going to charge $45, and they wouldn't let us pay for a shower, so we left, and then we
went to the lighthouse.
The lighthouse caravan park. This is the caravan park you want to stay at when you come to Exmouth. Friendly.
They've been around for years and years and years.
Yes.
When I filmed a load of shows for different companies, Zulu Media is one of them. We was up here and we had Anne Priest. We interviewed Anne Priest and she showed us a lighthouse. And right by the lighthouse, which is on the hill and very historic, you can actually get to the lighthouse camping site. It's beautiful, it's lovely there. My memories of that place is really good. How about you? What do you reckon?
No, I love it.
Before?
Actually, I've stayed there.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I've stayed there. Yeah, I'll stay there before you come along. Yeah, but lovely people. Regardless of whether we were going to stay there, they let us come and have a shower. They didn't have a problem with that. $5 each. Cheap as. Lovely people. So because of that, we've stayed there. We're staying there for 2 nights, maybe more. So it does really pay to be nice to people, because it does. Those people then in return want to be nice back to you. So yeah, the Lighthouse Caravan Park in Exmouth is the place to stay. We're in love with Exmouth already. We're at what's this place?
The brewery.
We're at, oh look,
that beeper? Our food's coming. So I'll go and get our food and I'll be back. Be right back. Check out the 6.
Yeah, we got, voila, 6 of these. One is, I don't know, I can't read them, but that one's ginger beer. Hang on. That one's Anzac Stout. That's a milkshake. Hop Mouth Amber Ale, which is disgusting, and that one was Froth Little, and that was delicious. So we're at the, where are we? I'll have to tell you that in a minute. Where are we? Because you want to come here because it's gorgeous. The atmosphere is
Frothbrewery.
Frothbrewery.
Frothbrewery
In Exmouth.
Check this out, eh?
Amazing atmosphere. Oh my goodness. Yum, 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 yum.
That is Spanish mackerel. Nice salad, their own made tartare sauce.
Delicious.
Delightful. So we're going to munch on that for a while.
Yep.
And check out some more beers.
Yeah.
See how we go.
Yeah. But this is an amazing place. This is the atmosphere, and that is just awesome. It's just such a,
if you look around, there's some real quirky things around, some really awesome
those
stuff.
people behind us are sitting kind of, it's like a moat.
It's very artistic, very rustic.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I love this tabletop.
So we're very excited for tomorrow.
Yep.
We're going to go out to Yardie Road, all the way out there tomorrow, and do snorkeling, fishing.
We'll check out some of the spots around the area.
Yeah, so excited.
That's a good chip.
2468, yeah?
2468. So far our travels, we've been through, seen some of the different things that have happened. As we're travelling along, we'll be filming stuff raw, but when we eventually get back home, depending if we get back home,
Might never go back.
we will edit things into more episodes rather than just on the road pumping it to you through YouTube. So really cool. On our travels, we actually bumped into Brody Moss as well, who's another YouTuber.
Oh my goodness, I met Brody Moss.
He's brilliant, great guy, really nice to meet you, Brody. Hope to see you again if you're around the area.
It was Brody. Look up WA because that's our YouTube.
Yeah, check us out, Brody.
Not as good as you.
Oh well, you know.
You're a legend.
In the diving and fishing.
He's a legend. And what a spunky looking guy. Oh my goodness.
The flies are friendly up here.
If I was 30 years younger, I'd have him.
There goes me, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, owned by different.
Charming. Just charming.
Yeah,
So that's it.
even say
I
that.
get ditched for the younger guy.
Yeah, I can't even say that's a lie because it probably isn't.
I think I better switch the camera off now.
No, honey, I'm in love with Hauser. You know that.
Oh, good
I'm
grief.
faithful.
Oh, good grief. Funny Hauser. Hauser, if you're out there, keep playing with your fiddle.
Oh, but what a man.
What a man, what a man, what a mighty good man.
And the way he plays and the way he looks. Oh, for every woman in the world, that's. Yeah,
Anyhow, this isn't about him. This is about us and our travels.
Sorry, baby. And Brody.
Yep, bumped into
We
Brody.
saw Strider,
Cool.
but we didn't get at him.
Yeah, we wanted to actually say hi to Strider, probably, or I did anyway. I think my wife was a little bit excited to actually meet someone that's pretty well known.
I was super excited.
very
I made
well known.
an absolute and utter fool out of myself.
But I must say, Brody,
53-year-old
Come on, man.
teenager, not good to look at.
don't worry about the mad woman that tried to jump in your car.
Oh, what
She's
are you
really-
big spinning? Oh, how embarrassing.
She's really quite harmless.
I know. He couldn't
Just
get
gets
out
a
of there
little
fast
excited,
enough,
that's all.
but, I was just excited. He was like, whoa.
Do you blame me?
No.
I'm going to try this beer. So we're on number 3 beer.
Oh, terrific.
Check this out. What's this one called? Number 3.
Oh,
One,
no,
two,
this is-
3. Hotmouth XPA. Nice. Oh, that's really nice. It's quite fruity. Oh, very nice. Might have to have a pint of that one. We got fish and chips, which is local Spanish mackerel.
We're sharing one plate because our stomachs have shrunk that much that we can't possibly eat a whole meal ourselves anymore.
Yeah, pretty much.
Because we caught no fish since we left Perth.
We have, we
That's
just
what we're
haven't
counting
eaten.
on. We caught a 6-foot shark and a stingray.
Got a big stingray, 6 foot, shovel nose shark. That would have gone down a tree actually. But we let him go. I wanted to take the goat off the road, but she wouldn't let me.
No, I was too upset.
Nevertheless.
Can you imagine freaking what? Half past 9 at night, you on the side of the road,
Carving up a
cutting
goat.
and gutting a goat, putting it in the back of our car where we sleep.
No, I would have found bags for it. I've got bags in the back of the car.
Yeah, no.
Sorry, that's the chef coming out in me. When I see something that's edible, I can think of all these different meals I can make out of them. It's a bit like Tom and Jerry, you know, when Tom sees the bird,
Oh
or
yeah.
Sylvester when he sees the bird,
Yeah.
he sees a chicken. Cooked and roasting nicely. Oh dear. Anyway, we're now up in Exmouth. We're going to try and do a bit of fishing here to catch some food instead of ordering. Mackerel's nice, very nice.
I don't know if I've ever had mackerel.
I don't think I have actually.
It's not your normal perch fish, is it?
Yeah, you can get some perch.
Yeah, but when you ask for fish and chips, they don't give you mackerel.
No, you have to ask for it. That's what a fish and chip shop does it. Most of them do. Very few that don't, but...
Yeah. And whatever they did, they must have fucked it, didn't see it. So
Very delicious.
But another one was seen on the other side.
The atmosphere of this place is Frothbrewery. It's absolutely brilliant. It's great stuff.
Yeah, give that, I reckon.
Flies are friendly, as well as the people. We're going to check out some real estate up here as well, see what it's like.
Yep.
We did actually run into the fact that we're in holiday mode here around WA. There's Coral Bay is absolutely packed with people.
Yeah, we drove in and out.
Because it's school holidays.
Didn't even think about that.
So,
Didn't even get a park, let alone anything else.
True.